Okay, this video is quite a very, very important video. I just made the decision, to do this video to help those who are yet to come into the understanding of what I have launched recently, which I think is a game changer. And now this video is not for everyone, but simply for those who truly think trading is for them. You've been struggling with your result and you truly need a system that is going to actually help you win. A couple of weeks ago, I launched with this, company, Jifu, and as an educator. So my interest with the company is streamlined. I came in as an educator, but there's something that actually got me embracing this opportunity, because I'm always looking out for people who would win. I've already figured out how I'm going to win. I have streams of income from trading, and even as educating, this is something I can do without even sharing this opportunity. But I love an environment where people can cease from struggles. A lot of people are struggling in trading simply they don't have because they don't have the right trading resource. When I looked at what this company had when it comes to trading tools, they were quite amazing. I saw the results. I saw people winning with this tool, and I'm not talking about pro traders. I'm talking about individuals who can just follow a simple step and they can win. I'm just going to take this video to just show you a couple of the scanners and probably show you a couple of, my result because one of the things I do is I'm a practical person. When I go in and I saw the result, I wanted to know how does this result, how do people really get this result? And I saw that there was a step-to-step process on how people can come in and leverage this tool. Okay, so it's not a matter of you perfecting the skill. This is about you following a simple step. So here I'm just going to share the platform. Um, okay, I think I'm on the system already. Okay, so you guys can have an idea. So when you come in on the platform, this is the platform. I'm just going to share with you guys the scanners. It's crazy. Yes, irrespective of where you're coming from, whether you're coming in to learn the skill or you're coming in to perfect the skill, okay, or you just want to leverage signals and tools, okay, this system got you covered. But I'm just going to dive straight. Okay, like I said, I'm an educator on this platform. When you come in, okay, here on the home, there is Forex, right? There's access to Forex, there's access to uh crypto trading, there's aspect to learn e-commerce, social media mindset. But the main deal, it's actually people want to learn Forex. So if you want to learn from beginners, intermediate, advanced, you have it. Okay. And these are the schedules of different educators on the platform that you have access to learn from live, trade with them live, which is a very beautiful resource for you to master the skill. Okay, this is myself here right now. I come in 3 times a week, 5 sessions a week to actually trade for students to earn with me live. Okay, and also learn the skill. But I'm more fascinated, which is the reason I'm doing this video, with the opportunity with these scanners. Okay, there are about I think about 8 scanners on the platform, 9 scanners on the platform from Gold Era. These scanners simply, for those of you who love gold, there's so much opportunities in gold. A lot of people, what people don't know, okay, there are AIs, there are both. These scanners were built with AI. So it literally scans the market and show you what the market is doing in real time. So it helps your decision making, like what direction is 5 minutes? What direction is 15 minutes? What direction is a 1 hour? This market can scan and give you that direction of a 1 hour different from a 4 hour. Okay, it literally scans the market in real time following a trend wave, a trend, volume, technical analysis, structure. That this has been coded to do a real life AI analysis. So you always know per time when and what to do with the market. Does it make sense? So this is gold era. This is it scans gold. Okay, simple strategy that scans gold and tell you what to do with gold. Because right about now, it's calling go for a sell. Okay, so there are different ways you could use it. You could use it for the 15 minutes, you could use it in the 5 minutes to scalping. Okay, in real time, when this market is really live, okay, you could actually use this scanner, go there on a smaller time frame to get probably about 20 times, 20 trades a day. Okay, it's crazy. Now, the most beautiful scanner, one of the flagship scanner on this platform is a trend wave. It literally scans and it doesn't just give you a set of confirmation or a set of analysis on a certain pair. No, it's a scanner, which means you can use it to scan the market, irrespective of the pair. Right now, the market is default on BTC USD. Okay, today market has been called BTC USD. Look at TP1, it's actually what in TP2. It's been called and it's made money already in BTC USD. Earlier today we traded Ethereum USD. So if you come here and you search E THUSD. Look at it. They called it earlier. And guess what? Look at it. We did TP2. I was in this market. We're doing our live sessions. We took this market. All right. It gives you the invalidation point. It gives you the point of entry. Yes, there are a few confirmations, okay, for you to look out for before you get in on a trade. So if you want to learn how to use the scanner, here is a video. So irrespective of how you're coming, okay, there is actually a video to know how to use the scanner. So you're not just blindly using it. And there's a PDF for those people who can read. There's a PDF on, on the resource on how you can use this scanner so you can follow the steps. All right. There are confirmations to use. Why? If a trade is called, you want to see it below this red line. All these tools, they are all in the PDF. And if you watch the PDF, you can literally in 3 days to 1 week, you could literally be using this to trade for yourself. I love the level of independence. Everyone are brought in their trading for themselves right now using this scanner. So you see ETH, you don't TP2. And the beautiful thing is you could use it to scan any of your trade. Okay, today I made money on Euro USD sell, Euro USD sell. Okay. And I'm going to be showing you a couple of results. I'll probably log in with my other phone because I've been doing a trading journal. Look at this trade right now. Okay. Earlier today, it called for a buy because the market was above this consolidation breaking out. So it called it for a buy, but the buy got rejected because of the news. And in real time, okay, it scanned the market and it's called it for sell because why the volume was twisting and it was changing. The moment it broke below this area, I called it for a sell. All right. And the sell happened below this trend. So there are there are the confirmation you should follow. The moment the market triggered this area, I actually showed it. If you've been looking in the group, if you are in my group, the Telegram group, I'm showing the result of my journaling in trading because I don't just want to tell people something works. I want to show them, okay, how it's working for me. I'm sending this result, journaling my trading, so that you can see that these are the scanners that I'm using. It's not because I know pro trading. This is scanner. It tells you what to do. This is entry. This is take profit. This is exit point, stop loss. So you don't need to be a pro to know this. Just follow instructions. Okay. So this is TP3 already, 1 to 1 done, over 1 to 1 ratio done already. We also got a trade today, GBP USD, GBP JPY, sorry. Okay. Look at what he did. Okay. He called it on the 15 minute. Look, guys. So you can see that in different time frames. On the 1 hour right now, you just see that 1 hour just got started. Okay. But this was on the 15 minutes. It did what? It did TP, whole TP. That's why you're seeing this. TP5. Like, imagine how much money you're going to make. This is 1 to 3. It cleared the market. All right. All you needed to do was a confirmation, just take the stop loss. You don't need to be a pro. So let's say I want to look at gold right now. I want to see what should I do on gold. I just want to SAU USD. So we're in the night time right now. I want to prepare. I don't really trade at this point in time. Look at this market right now on the 15 minutes. Okay, this is actually a sell stop presently right now. If market is here, this is calling a market here right now. It means it's a sell stop. If market breaks below this area and under this, presently right now is green. Okay, which means if this market comes into this area right now, I just have to put my stop loss and I get in. It means market is not ready. It's a sell stop. Okay, if you go on the 1 hour, it may be a different trade. So 1 hour, the entry is for a buy. Okay, the entry is still a sell. So this is still a sell market. Okay, all we just need, so all the confirmation is that you must allow price, okay, to come below this moving average, okay, for deep trade. And you're going to see for every time the market is going to sell, you're going to see this blood sign, a sell sign, okay. It's very, very important. For every time it's going to buy, you're going to see gem, this gem. So right now it's preparing. Okay, if market closes below and the price is below this moving average, trust me, we're gonna have a sell tomorrow probably on gold. But if it's not ready, we're just gonna wait for it to get ready. Okay, you can use it to scan any of your favorite product. That's why it's called a scanner. So in a day, you could literally get between 2 to 5 trades if you are someone who trades volume. Okay, that's the beautiful thing. And one good thing is now, I've gotten a trade on gold. Let's just go back a little bit because I want you guys to understand it's not just an assumption that this calls trade. There are other things you can do to confirm. So, right now, gold has been called for a sell. Now, watch. Okay, the market is still playing. So let's say even gold is below this area right now, and I want to get in. There are other confirmation. This is another scanner or another tool in this system that helps you. So let's say I want to trade gold for a sell right now. I want to know if gold is ready for a sell. So sometimes the scanner can spot the trade, but the trade is not ready, but it's just telling you that this trade, okay, the position is actually good for a sell. But now you have another confirming tool. It's called the key shot. Okay. What you do is just put here gold, XAUUSD. And it's going to tell me what gold is doing in real time per price and per volume. So right about now on the 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, gold is buying. On the 4 hour, okay, and daily, gold is trending up. So if the market is being called by the scanner for a sell, okay, I want to see. So if I'm on the 15 minute, I want to see that 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 30 minutes, it's actually down. That shows me that the volume is actually moving in direction of a sell. So that confirms. And that will be backed up by price. Price has to be below 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour average, moving average. If this shows red and these three shows red, it means gold is ready to sell. Gold is selling right now, so you can join. So with this confirmation, boom, that's an extra what? Feel that gold is what? On the sell trend. And that's not all. Okay, you need an extra backup. You can come to Quantum. This is another scanner. Okay, what it does is literally tells you what the market is doing per trend. So right about now, Euro USD is 38% sell. Okay, it's on the 38%. When you see anything above 50%, okay, so this is sell, but 38% means it's light right now, light sell. But when you see 50% on momentum, it means the trade is good for itself. So let's go on gold, XAUUSD. What is gold doing right now? Gold is buying, but the scanner is calling it for a sell. So this means, okay, I just need to see that the market changes the trend. So gold is on a bullish trend on the 1 minute. Okay, so you can change it per time. Bullish on 3 minutes, bullish on 5 minutes. It's bullish, okay, on 15 minutes. So the moment you see red, okay, so it's bullish. So the moment it shows red, okay, and it's above 50%, trust me. So right now you can see bullish, bullish. It's only 15 minutes that is bearish, okay, it's bullish. So you need to give it time for these confirmations to align, and you're going to have a beautiful trade. So these are the simple steps. I'm just trying to show you guys how it kind of works, and you can use these to help yourself in trading and get amazing results multiple times a day. Okay, Sniper Pro is another one. See, you want to just, if you want to finish yourself in trading, these are going to give you, but it all comes back to discipline. All right, I'm just going to log in quickly just to show you guys. Oh, I actually posted it in the group. Okay, but let me show it from my phone. A moment, please. Just so you guys can have an idea. I don't want the video to be very long. Okay, but in case you are asking, Cambry, how does your system work? This video is going to just help you understand, okay, how my system works. I want to log in on my phone so that I can stream my phone. Okay, I need to admit. All right. Okay, good. You're right. I'm just gonna share my screen. Okay. I'm gonna share my screen just so you guys see a couple of activities. Okay. So this is the first day I started journaling with the scanner. So to have my own personal results, okay, my own personal results. So this goes, the scanner, yeah. Any of journaling my trade, some of the trade entries that I'm having with some of the tools that I'm using. So here is a confirmation I just saw on Euro USD. Okay, this is the entry point. It has triggered above the entry, and that's the invalidation point. I'm taking the first TP. And if I look here, the confirmation also align on this amazing tool that up. So you guys see what I said, okay? The trade called for a buy, and I came to the key shot to confirm that everything is saying a buy. Okay, I just put the invalidation point as my stop loss, and I put the take profit. Okay,
the trend and price above. So it means blue means we should buy. And I actually got in on the trade already. Okay, so let's see what the outcome is going to be. So I'm here about an hour later. Okay, so my TP level was 1.1440. Okay, and this is the trade. You can see that the market actually spiked that out. I'm out of the market already, so I've hit my goal, for this morning, based off on this trading, goal, right, on this tool and strategy. Stay put. I'm going to take more in the upcoming days. Let's go.
so that was my first trade, and my second trade goes. This was my second trade.
All right, so today is another day of trading, journaling the trade. So
Yeah,
I'm in
my
on
book.
EU again on the trend wave scanner. It's ready. Okay, and it actually got into the entry. And if I'm looking at my key shot right now, it is up. It means we are good to go. Okay, so this was my entry. Time of entry was 9:58. TP level is the first TP. Okay, though the stop loss.
You guys noticed. Okay, about EU, if you notice, it is above. The price is above those moving average and those slings. Okay, that's to tell you that price is trending up, and the key shot confirmed it, just like I said earlier. Okay, a trade was called and a confirmation. Okay, following the key shot. I didn't even use the quantum. Okay, but the moment I get my confirmation on the key shot and I see this trade, I just took the trade.
A little over the TP, but let's just get TP1. All right, it was ready on Keyshot, called on trend wave. Let's see how this 10 o'clock candle plays the market. So I'm back. Okay, we took the trade around 9:58. Okay, and this was the trade. This was around the entry, kind of outdated. And I told you guys our TP was 1.1450. If you look at here right now, this is 1.1475. TP2, okay, was actually 1.1463. So it's hit TP1, it's hit TP2, okay, and boom, you can see, all right, beautiful. Another trade that I actually took was German 30. But I didn't. I just took down was German 30 from the scanner to. Okay, look at that guy. Okay, look at German 30 that smashed TP2. Beautiful. All right, I just took it on the side note. We ain't playing. We're winning. This is day two. Boom.
Okay, so that's the result. And let's go to today. Let's go to today's trading. So my next day of trading actually. Okay, today. I did a couple of trades today. So this is it.
All right, guys. So this is just my update on trade. I'm not with my journal, but this is a trade that I've gotten in on entry. TP is 195.694. That's exit point, and this is invalidation, and it was actually ready on Keyshot for a sell on the 15 minutes. So on the 15 minute, everything is ready. Oh, this is shifted a bit. I think this just shifted. Wow, I didn't see this, but I already in. Look, I think this is what I am looking at, but this shifted. Okay, maybe price is ranging up, but I'm in on this trade. I just wanted to give us a feedback. So another trade is Euro USD. Just giving updates. I want to be able to experience this kind of. So Euro USD actually did a buy call, so it was triggered. Exit point 1 to 1. So this is an exit point. Okay, 1.15, but it's a little bit small, so I actually took it to 1592 area and the 1602. Okay, and this is the stop loss, of the trade. Let's look at how this trade goes. All right, in the upcoming. So this is my TP point. Both areas are my TP point, and this is my exit point. There is news next coming hour. Let's see how it goes. All right, guys.
So
So
that I deleted. Hold on, guy. Okay. Oh, it's in the group. I've already deleted the video. I'm gonna play that video right now. I'm just gonna go to the Telegram. I think I played it on the Telegram. So I shared it today. So these were my trades today.
okay, I'm coming back. I'm gonna be transparent as I could. Okay, today we took EU. I think we had a good on EU. I think I also had a good on gold, a trade on gold, and I also had a trade on Euro USD. So this is GJ. Okay, if you look at my previous, we actually got in, somewhere around here, and this was the TP level. If you can see, it actually hit TP 195.69. That was the TP level. So this trade has actually hit a goal, and it's still running down. Okay, that's what's up. And then the other trades, I actually had a lesson on, I think probably because
So you see that GJ I showed you, that was today's trade. The first trade that I showed you that GJ hit TP5. I only got out of TP2. It hit TP5. Okay. That same trade because I took EU. The first trade I bought EU, but the EU hit a lesson. Okay. And EU and GJ is what I first took today. And EU hit a lesson and later called it for a sell. And I took the sell. I'm gonna say it here. You're gonna say
of the news, Euro USD. Okay, I had a lesson on Euro USD. Okay, and I did a sell. It was actually a buy. Okay, there was a buy on the 15 minutes. Was it one? Was it 1 hour? Okay, we took a buy on the 1 hour, right? Okay, but that actually hit. It has switched for a sell level right now. So EU is presently calling for a sell. Okay, I actually took the 15-minute sell, and I've done a take profit. Okay, a take profit because I actually entered. The moment it broke below this, I said if you one of the things I said, if the market breaks this consolidation, is going to sell, and it did. Okay, and it's hit TP1. I actually made money on that, but I lost the first one. Okay, so I've had a loss on EU for the buy, but I've had a take profit for the sell. Okay, it actually moved quite a lot, and this is just actually begun to sell. Okay, actually have an analysis here right now. Okay, this, if you guys looked, I actually wanted to sell this market. Okay, I'm in on this sell, but I'm just giving you guys the.
So
okay,
this
so
is
this
an
is the
account that I
result because
opened. So
someone,
this is the E.
I decided to share this because someone will be like, maybe you are just calling trades that you want us to see. Okay, so I decided to show this account so you can follow through this trade. But meanwhile, okay, there was this is actually my day four. Okay, there was actually day three. These are quite important just to help. There was day three. This was it.
on AUDJPY at 9414, okay, this morning, and TP was 9414. The entry was 93.86. Quite a good trade, all right, and it has hit TP1. But guess what? I actually still took a trade. All right, so this morning.
Wasn't it? So the trade was this, I guess.
All right, so this is another trading day with trend wave, and I just got my
Again.
confirmation. I just got in looking at AUDJPY on the trend wave. Okay, and I entered at 93.86. Okay, the stop loss is actually 93.27. Okay, and the TP1, so I'm going for TP1. Okay, 94.14. And guess what? I got a confirmation on Keyshots as well. Everything up, 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 up. Okay, I'm not normally not a fan of the AUDJPY pair because I've not traded it before, but let's see how this goes. It's already moving. Okay, let's see how this goes. All right, so I'm back here again. So I took TP1. My TP1 was, I want you guys to see. So was my TP1, okay, 94.14. Okay, that's what I used. Everything set. Guys, look at it right now, sitting on the TP level. Money has been made. So this is day 3 of the trend wave. Amazing. All right, so this is another.
You guys saw that, and I wanted you guys to see this as well. Same trade.
Okay, so TP2 was 9445. All right, that's well.
So the trade smashed TP1 and TP2, okay, on day three. So day four was the day I actually we did today, and I had a lesson on EU buy, okay, and also he called it for a sell, and I took the sell, and I won the sell for EU and GJ sell. So you guys know, I actually also did where is the Telegram? So I did this video to show.
Trade that I took, the EU trade that I took that I lost, and I actually took another one, like I said, with the scanner. I took GG and EU. The first
So you
EU
can see all
lost,
my
but with the
trades.
sell, I actually
All the
won, and the
EU,
trade is
the
actually
EU,
still
the
running with
AJ,
profit at
you
the
can see
moment.
it on the call,
I say this
on
is
the
the
chart.
trade. This is another tip. I actually gave it a swing tip. So let's see. A broken even secured an entry. So let's see how this goes. Just to give you guys an update, so far it's been a good run. Using the scanner. Only had
So you guys can see the trade. Check the date. Okay. EU was my first trade. EU was my second trade. AJ was my third trade. And EU, okay, was my fourth trade. I lost the first one. Okay. And GJ, today, GJ and EU. So you can see that these trades follow each other. So it's not like I'm just showing you guys what what seems to be the win. This is actually my journaling for 4-day trading with this scanners, and it's been amazing. I'm going to continue on this. Okay, why am I sharing this with you? So that you guys know that everything I've done, so you know, excuse me, let me just stop sharing this. Everything that I have done I didn't do from a standpoint because I am a pro trader. I did from the standpoint of using the scanner. Just like if you come in today, you're going to follow the same guided step. I am not the only one who's gotten result. I've plugged other people independently. I have Shego. If you guys watch the launch video where one of the students came and shared their results, Shego shared his result. Presently, right now, is 11 and 0 following this scanner. It's crazy. See, I tell you, I kid you not. The first EU that I took to the EU and GJ, okay, I took it from a live session. So apart from the fact that we come on live with trade, there are scanners. The community has a team. There's a team, all right, in our community. Okay, we have different sessions every day using this scanners to trade and just calling trades for people to take. For those who want to lean on other people to call trades for them, we do that. We do that live. Educators come on live and you can actually get trade ideas. There's an app on this platform, Jifu Connect, where you could get trade ideas sent to you to your mobile phone and you can just copy and paste. Okay. And now there is the you who can understand this kind of and use it for yourself. I really don't know where you are in trading, but I believe that this opportunity is going to give you a leverage for you to start winning over the next couple of weeks. I'm saying weeks because I'm being modest. Okay, people have come in here and in their first 5 days, they've created amazing results. But it's not about how fast. It's about how really well you want it. Okay. If you're looking at getting started on this platform, it's quite very easy. I'm just going to share this quickly. Okay. If you want to get access to all of this system, the platform, the scanners, okay, there's an elite pack to come in, okay, which is actually 275 if you are actually in the African market, $275, okay. And the monthly tuition, the monthly auto ship is $165. That gives you access to unlimited and full access to G-Full Live, which is the live trading session, manual trade ideas, called from the Jifu app, access to Jifu Connect, which is a trader's chat where you get trade ideas, then all of the scanners, then global ideas, Forex. These are actually ideas for Forex, access to the portal because this company is involved not just in digital product like trading, they're also involved in health and wealth, travel, health and wealth. So you get access to, access to the travel portal where you get free trial passes per month to share $5,000 worth value. These are for those who are involved in the travel business, and 165 monthly, to actually get this. One of the things I just say is every trader is going to be successful. You first have to invest in you. This is what I can say with all confidence. Okay, just think about this. But a lot of people, traders have gone through a lot. So when they see opportunities like this, it's so easy for doubt or criticism or skepticism to set in. It's okay. Okay, I've been there. What you do is you never can lean on your past experiences to overshadow your future opportunities. Okay, but you just have to try and do something. Even if you want to stay on the safe side of risk, okay, just take it that you're buying a prop firm. Okay, try this for the next 2 months. If it doesn't work for you, get out. But I could guarantee you this. If you're willing to follow the steps, I've seen this work. It's a scanner. It literally works, scans the market and give you probability. Out of 10 trades, you're going to definitely win seven. Okay. And if you have a good proper risk, which we're going to help you with, because at the end of the day, trading is not just about the possibility of what you gain part the skill, but how you manage the skill with your risk to reward, trading psychology. This is where the mentors will help you. Okay, we're gonna help you master your trading psychology, managing equity, getting access to, trading leverage. You definitely need help on that, and that will help you. Okay, you plug yourself, then work this out over the next 2 months. Okay, and tell me it's not going to work for you. I definitely guarantee you that this will work if you work it out. All right. I'm super excited. I'm expecting you to make the decision to get things started. If someone sent you this video, just reach out to them. All right. And ask them this question. How can I get started? Let's build a wonderful trading result. My goal and my aim is to create an environment of where traders could sing their song of their own trading profits rather than their regrets. Okay. I see you winning at the top. All right. I'm not seeing you from the top. Okay. I'm seeing you at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. My name is Ken Remo, and I'm looking forward to working with you as a trader. God